Forest resources. Forests are quite important biotic natural resource. Forests must have been the first natural resource that man must have used to satisfy his demand for food before he could develop an art of plant cultivation. Besides their use for humans in economic terms, forests have greater ecological value. Forests provide habitat for large number of life forms. As plants absorb carbon dioxide in the air, the forests are considered as sinks of carbon dioxide. In the present time of concern about the global climatic changes, forests are assumed as a new dimension. It is desired that a region should have 1/3 of the land under forest cover for maintaining the balance of environment. Types of forests in Maharashtra. The following types of forests are found in Maharashtra. 1. Tropical semi-evergreen forests. 2. Tropical moist deciduous forests. 3. Tropical dry deciduous forests. 4. Tropical thorny forests. 5. Mangrove forests. Now, let us learn more about these forests one by one. Tropical semi-evergreen forests. These forests are found in the region which receives rainfall above 2000 millimeters and annual average temperature between 20 degrees to 30 degrees centigrade. These forests are found in Sindhudurg, Ratnagiri, Western Kolhapur and Satara districts. Trees in these forests usually have broad leaves and grow as high as 60 to 65 meters. The various species of trees found here are Kinjal, Sal, Sag, Kusum, Arjun, Hirda, Behda, etc. These forests are economically important. Woods are used for producing agricultural equipments and building houses. Leaves, flowers, fruits, roots and barks are used as herbal medicine. Tropical moist deciduous forests. These forests are found in the region where rainfall is between 1000 to 2000 millimeters and average temperature is between 20 degrees to 30 degrees centigrade. These forests are found in Bhandara, Gondia, Gadchiroli, Chandrapur, Nasik, Pune, Kolhapur, Dhule, Nandurbar districts of Maharashtra. Trees in these forests grow well in rainy season and shed their leaves in the beginning of summer season. Trees here grow as tall as 30 to 40 meters. A large variety of species of trees like sal, sag, teak, sandalwood, palas, kanchan, arjun, etc. are found here. Tropical dry deciduous forests. Tropical dry deciduous forests are found in regions where rainfall is in between 800 and 1000 millimeters and the average temperature is between 35 degrees to 40 degrees centigrade. Jalgaon, Dhule, Buldhana, Amravati, Nagpur, Bhandara and Gondia districts have these types of forests. Trees are short and sparse. They have thorns and shed their leaves in summer. Wood obtained from these forests are used as firewood. Tendu leaves are used for beadwork. Other trees such as bale, palas, anjan, etc. are also found here. Hot tropical thorny forests. Hot tropical thorny forests are found in the region which receives less than 500 millimeters rainfall. Here, summer is very dry and hot. These forests are generally found in the rain shadow region. Here, climate is unfavorable growth of trees. Short and thorny bushes are found here. Bor, babool, neem, khair, hirida, cactus are the common plants here. Babool and neem trees are used for making agricultural equipments and building houses. Bark of babool is used for making hide. Korfad or aloe vera is a medicinal plant. Mangrove forests. The forests in coastal areas, particularly in intertidal zones and estuaries, are known as mangroves. Trees growing here are evergreen and they grow in salty and marshy land. Plants like kandal, tivar are found in these forests. Now that you know the different types of forests, let us understand the importance of their conservation. Conservation of forests. Conservation of forests is a multiple activity. Various plans have been implemented to save forests from destruction. Efforts have been made to maintain the forest wealth. Excessive exploitation of forest wealth is prohibited. Forest conservation plan includes proper management, safety, care of plants, and extension of forest area. Forests are necessary to prevent soil erosion, provide clean and healthy air, maintain ecological balance, retain the level of groundwater table, protect wild animals, preserve forest products, keep tribal settlements, and provide a few materials for forest-based industries. According to the National Policy and Scientific View, 33% geographical area of the state must be under forests. Since the forest area in Maharashtra is decreasing day by day, conservation of the forests has become necessary in the state. Existing forest area should not only be preserved, but also be extended further. Thousands of tree saplings are planted every year. Trees are planted on both sides of roads. Planting trees on bunds of fields and on fallow lands is encouraged. These initiatives help to preserve local biological diversity and climate. The state government has undertaken Sant Tukaram Van Gram Yojan in 2006. Under this plan, forest wealth is saved from illegal felling of trees, and social awareness is created about the importance of forests and wild animals. Increasing population and its needs will increase pressure on forest wealth in future. To reduce this pressure, we have to find alternatives to forest products. For example, we can use solar energy, natural gas, biogas instead of firewoods. Encouragement of social forestry, extension of forests, and proper management can naturally reduce these problems. Under natural resources, you will find plants and animals play a pivotal role in maintaining the environmental balance. Now, let us proceed to the wildlife resources. Wildlife resources in Maharashtra. All living organisms in a region inhabiting their natural habitat are included in wildlife resources of the region. Wildlife in itself is a resource in both commercial as well as ecological consideration. In the commercial sense, they attract tourists. And ecological sense, they help maintaining the forest ecosystem. Wildlife in an area is a cultural asset of the region. Forest land in Maharashtra is limited and much less than the desired 33%. But it has wide spectrum of wildlife. This is because the state has variety of forest ranging from semi-evergreen scrubland vegetation. These forests are home to a large number of animals and bird species. Wild animals like tigers, leopards, crocodiles, bisons, elephants, nilgais, wild deer, etc. inhabit different forest lands in the state. The government has set up many parks and sanctuaries to protect these animals and promote tourism. Two major forest areas of Maharashtra, namely the Western Ghats and East Maharashtra, are particularly rich in wildlife. There are 4 tiger projects in the state: Melghat, Tadoba, Pench, and Sahyadri. Besides these tiger projects, there are a number of other projects specially started for protection of specific wild animals. For example, Dajipur in Kolhapur district is particularly a reserve for bison. The giant squirrel called Shekharu in Marathi from Bhima Shankar forest in Pune district is the state animal of Maharashtra.